Hi friends, I'm here to discuss about 3 Netflix series and my first series is The Cook of Customer. This series has got 1 season and 12 episodes and the second season is coming because this series is now watching a lot of people, so it became famous. There is sex, violence and languages used, so this is 18 plus. And when I'm coming to the plot, there is a Duke and his wife. Duke Diego and his wife Alba. They were in a fine morning, they were traveling on a horseback on his compound, they were talking. All on a surprise, his wife told that I am pregnant. At the same time, the horse throws her away and she died. That was a great shock for our Duke. And he was mourning for 12 months. It continued. And he is not ready to take his power back. He is not ready to come back to his work. Then this was a headache for his family. And already his friends and his next scene you can see his mother and his friends because there is a great friendship in this. His mother and friends decide to for a second marriage for our Duke. Then they are arranging a dinner party. There comes our heroine, the cook, Clara Belmont. She is a very talented cook. At the same time, she is agoraphobic. Agoraphobic means fear in public places. So she is not ready to go outside, always in the kitchen around. Then you can see a lot of kitchen sequence and cooking, very delicious cooking. And you should watch if you are very good cook and interested in cooking. And 18th century style of this dressing and the heroines, everybody was so fabulous, so rich in this series. Then they are arranging the party. Then the cooking and the cuisines was so great because that was delicious. It was extraordinary. Everyone noticed it. At the same time, our Duke, the hero also watched this and he happened to have an eye contact with our cook, Clara. And later on, that friendship became deep into there is a communication, heart communication between the lovers. Lovers can understand that. That is very beautifully done in this series. And when I'm talking about the negatives, here they are just bringing the king and the king is a mad king. Later on, the connection between the king is not in the scene or in any scene of this plot. Then at the same time, here there comes the cunning villain Hugo Silva. Hugo Silva has done well. And Hugo Silva is bringing this Amelia Castro. And she was forced to love this Duke and to marry this Duke because Hugo want the power and money. So he is doing everything. He was forcing Amelia to do all the things. So there is lot of troubles. The entry of this Amelia is very special because when she came and gave handshake to his black brother, adopted brother Gabriel, she refused because he is black. You know, that time exploitation of black is there still now. Then she refused. Later on, they both fell into love. That type of, that special love affair also you can watch here. At the same time, she was forced to marry this Duke. The story is going on. At this, I should recommend this because this is so fantastic. While watching, there is thrilling moments. The villain is so cunning, so fabulous. This is so beautiful series. At first, it is so slow moving series. The characters, why? Is this a Spanish series? We will feel. But later on, it become interesting. You will watch completely. And there is some elements is not interesting for you. But still, this is a very recommendable series for you. And I will give my rating 7 out of 10 for this series because I liked. So watch the series because the second season, third season is bringing up. So watch the series. Then my second series is Dark Desire. Dark Desire for 35 million views on 28 days. So you can see the series this is a Mexican series. Then it has got 18 episodes and now it's one season. Second season is coming. This is also a thriller. There is so much of sex. Then there is languages. There is substances. So this is also 18 plus. Let me tell you, the director is Pedro P. Yabra Kenia Marcus. And production is Argus Communication for Netflix. And creator is Leticia Lopez. And the character I should mention in this series because it's so relevant. Before coming to the law professor Alma. Then her husband Leonardo is a judge. Then they has got a daughter Zoe. And Brinda is Alma's best friend. And Dario is a confused character and he approaches Alma to open up for him. We can we can wait. And Esteban is Leonardo's brother. And there is 2 truths and 1 lie. So here when I am coming to this series, Alma decides to go to Brinda and have a party or dinner with her to refresh her mind, because she doubts her husband. She happened to hear a phone conversation and she doubts her husband and his secretary has some affair. So she thought her husband is cheating. And this Brinda told, if he is cheating, you can do the same. At the same time, Dario is approaching her. And at first she refused, but she fallen to him and had sex with him. Later on, this Zoe, their daughter, also loved him. She also had sex with Dario. So mother and daughter had loving the same guy. And there is so not confusion I should say, there is so complex situation in this series, making some mystery in this series. I don't know they purposefully made it or that is I didn't like, but we can predict the series after 8 episode or 9 episode, we can predict this series. That's the problem, negative problem I thought. Then Esteban and Leonardo as brothers, they love Brinda, same lady. And they both have sex with the same lady. And Esteban is brother-in-law of Alma, happened to see the love affair between Dario. And he had an inquiry on Dario and he understood that Dario has a murder case history. So that's why he has connection between this, Alma. So Alma is a law professor. At the same time, her husband is a judge. So he should have connection because he can use her later. That is a cunning plan. This Esteban reveals to this Alma. Then this is a story, is a mystery, complex, and there is cheating between husband and wife, and there are brothers cheating each other, mother and daughter. This is a complicated story. There is mystery in this series. It's a thriller. There is so much of sex. Maybe a lot of person may not accept the situation, this series because of the sex situations. But there is a thriller element in this. You can watch if you like this series. I will give 7.2 out of 10 for this as my rating. And my last series is Clickbait. And this series is short because I recommend this. This is a thriller drama. There is sex, violence, so it's 18 plus. This has got only 8 episodes. 8 episodes and 1 season. So second season may not come. Already it's over, I think. And this is so film. And within a day you can finish this series. So I like this. And it's also interesting. and the director is Brad Anderson, creator is Tony Ayres, and the character is Nick Brewer and his wife Betty Brewer, and their sister, Nick Brewer's sister Pia Brewer, and they have two sons, Ethan Brewer and Kai Brewer, and there is a sincere police officer, Roshan Amari, and there is a lover, Emma Bisley, and there is a reporter. Reporter is Ben Park. He will do anything for his headline. These are the characters here acting, and here outline I should say the Nick Brewer appears on the online with a board, signboard, I die, I abuse women. He is fully blooded and he was abducted. And his sister, wife, everybody was shocked because the next day the husband is missing. He is on the social media. Then my last series is Clickbait. Clickbait is a thriller drama and there is sex violence. So this series is also 18 plus. And the characters are Nick Brewer, his wife Betty Brewer, sister Pia Brewer, police officer Roshan Amari. He is a sincere police officer. Then you can see lover Emma Bisley, and Ethan and Kai are the sons of this Nick Brewer and his wife Betty Brewer. Then the reporter Ben Park, he will do anything for his headline. These are the characters I should mention. Here Nick Brewer appears in an online media full-blooded. He has a sign card. I die, I abuse women. And this scene was watching in social media and 5 million viewers at a time. And this was shocked by his family. For his wife, he was a sincere husband. For the sons Ethan and Kai, he was a sincere father. For the sister, he was very loving brother. So that was a shock from their family. Next day, he is appearing in the screen and he was abducted. By whom? Why he was abducted? That all is a question mark. It has got only 8 episodes. It's a mini series. You can watch it as if you're watching a film. So you do watch it, and I will give 7 out of 10 for this series because it is short and there is thriller, and this is relevant this time because it's lockdown and actually people use this social media for their own selfish needs. Can you imagine a person who is loving through only social media, without seeing, without touching, only conversation? So the Emma Bisley is in the imagination, in the world of imagination. The character you can watch in this series. So imagination is killer, you know. You can imagine whatever to any extent. So you can watch this series. And Nick Brewer was abducted. Why he is abducted? For what he is abducted? What's the purpose of this? These are all question mark in the clickbait. So watch this series. It's so interesting. This is the 3 series: Dark Desire, Clickbait, and The Cook of Castamere. Next time I'll come with 3 series. Till then, thank you. Thank you for watching me. Bye.